NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Question 10. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters and PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Determine sin P, cos P and tan P. We are given that in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters and PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. We have to find sin P, cos P and tan P. First, let us identify the sides in the right triangle. Since angle Q is the right angle, the side opposite Q is the hypotenuse. So, hypotenuse is equal to PR. We know that PR plus QR is equal to 25. Let QR be x centimeters. Then PR is equal to 25 minus x centimeters. Now let us apply Pythagoras theorem to this right triangle. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. We know that PR is equal to 25 minus x, PQ is equal to 5 and QR is equal to x. Let us substitute these values in the above equation. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR is 25 minus x whole square is equal to PQ is 5 square plus QR is x square. Now let us expand the left hand side value. 25 minus x whole square is in the form a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore 25 minus x whole square can be written as 25 square is 625 minus 2 times 25 times x minus 50x plus x square is equal to 5 square is 25 plus x square. Now cancel x square from both sides. We are left with 625 minus 50x is equal to 25 minus 50x is equal to 25 minus 625, which is equal to minus 600. X is equal to minus 600 by minus 50. 0, 0 cancels and then 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. So QR is equal to x is equal to 12 centimeters. Then PR becomes PR is equal to 25 minus x, which is equal to 25 minus 12 equal to 13 centimeters. Therefore PR is equal to 13 centimeters. Now let us mark the sides with respect to the angle P, since we need to find sin P, cos P and tan P. For angle P, opposite side is equal to QR, which is equal to 12 centimeters. Adjacent side is equal to PQ, which is equal to 5 centimeters. Hypotenuse is equal to PR, which is 13 centimeters. Opposite side is equal to QR, which is equal to 12 centimeters. Adjacent side is equal to PQ, which is equal to 5 centimeters. Hypotenuse is equal to PR, which is 13 centimeters. Now let us use the trigonometric definitions to find the trigonometric ratios. Sin P is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is QR and hypotenuse is PR. QR is equal to 12 and PR is equal to 13. Therefore, sin P is equal to 12 by 13. Cos P is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. PQ is 5, PR is 13. Therefore, cos P is equal to 5 by 13. Then tan P. Tan P is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is QR, adjacent side is PQ. QR is 12, PQ is 5. Therefore, tan P is equal to 12 by 5. Now the answer is sin P is equal to 12 by 13, cos P is equal to 5 by 13 and tan P is equal to 12 by 5.